How's it going, everybody? Today we got a video on my Duramax, 6.6 Duramax, and it's got a short somewhere in the block heater, probably the cable or either the connectors. So we're gonna take a look at that and get it fixed. Yeah, so my symptoms were I was plugging in the truck when it was getting cold, and it would about 2 minutes in, it would short out trip the GFI, and so I'm pretty sure the cable's bad. It's got 267,000 miles on it, so it's about time, I think. Ooh, it sucks moving. Tools everywhere. It's crazy. Cover off. So the block heater plugs in right here, and it just comes in this harness and then pops right back out. I don't know why they did that, but anyways, it's on a good side. I don't think this heat shield should be in the way, but I'm not really gonna replace the heater itself yet. I just want to test the cable. And if the heater's actually bad, then I'll replace the block here and drain it out. So, anyways, it just unplugs, and that's it. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Drop back down. Have to put a new thing on there. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Alright, let me plug it in. See what happens. It's getting me close. There we go. Plug that in. Well, a little chilly today. I think it's like, I don't know, 20 degrees right now. Maybe 30. It's not horrible, but all right. Let's see what she does here. Give that a couple minutes. See the trips. Oh, I think it did. Okay. So that tells me that tells me something's going on with the connectors, the pins, or the actual heater is shorted. Oh yeah, that's just shot. Good, looks good on there, but just think I think one of those pins is just crap. So I'll have to get a block heater and get that block heater and throw that in there. have to drain the coolant. That's the only problem with this is obviously you gotta pop that off, and it's just gonna drain coolant everywhere. Now, problem with these Duramaxes is they don't have like a drain. There's no drain on the coolant anywhere. Like, I don't know why they couldn't have just put a drain somewhere in here. Some of the other models I've seen them on some videos, but other models they just don't have anything on there. So it's kind of silly, but oh well, we'll work with it. Okay, got the other part. I got the heater itself, and I'm cleaning this junk out. Oops. It's amazing how much crap gets stuck up here. And look at that. I mean, it's just caked on there. Oh. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. I love this light, by the way. This light is freaking awesome. It's not spazzing out too much, hopefully. Go. See, oh, it wasn't that tight. That's crazy. It's not tight at all. Well, there goes the coolant. Oh, hallelujah. And, oh yeah, okay. And the other piece is still in there. Now, this is super important. So, this little piece here, this little piece in here can get stuck. This piece can get stuck or get come out and drop inside there. I don't know if it really could drop very far or what it would do or whatever, but probably not good. So yeah, it looks like that was pretty corroded. So something obviously happened with the connection there. It just wore out. But anyways, got the old one out. Hallelujah. It's kind of a struggle. Took a bit to get that out. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. It's gonna be important. Yeah, looks like that's gonna be just enough. I'm bummed it didn't come with a heat shield. I think, in my opinion, it should have for this beginning section here. But I don't know. I probably could have bought one. I just forgot to grab it. Okay, so I gotta hurry because storm's coming in and it's supposed to snow a couple inches and we gotta go. It's New Year's Eve, so this is, I got 2 gallons of 50/50 and then I've got another gallon of concentrated. It doesn't say 50/50 on it, just says concentrated on the back. Well, that's gonna take like probably all of 7 gallons. So but anyways, obviously the owner's manual will tell you how much it takes, but I think the LMM, the Duramax LMM, this is an 09, takes I think right around 6 to 7 gallons. So we'll just keep filling her up and We'll cycle over, let it run for a couple minutes, and then see where we're sitting. Low status right here. And this is concentrated. See, that's a little bit thicker. So that was about, I actually should have checked, but I bet you that was about half a gallon, a little more than half a gallon. So on a 70-30 mixture, I'm gonna go with third of a gallon, or less than that actually. Not a lot of water. They say on here, Dexcool, you go 70-30, 7 quarts. I don't know why they're doing 7 quarts, 3 quarts, but 70-30, 70 0x, 30% water. You can go up to, freeze up as negative 84 degrees and boil over 276. That's pretty crazy. That's a pretty good range. Pretty impressed with that. Okay, that's all I got, so I'm gonna have to go pick up some more, and I don't think that's gonna get us even close. It's not even close, but that makes sense. Math. Yeah, nothing. Okay. I'll get some more and we'll fill this bad boy up. Get this thing running again. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's getting close. It wants to snow. It wants to. So I got this skid steer. Yeah, buddy. It's an oldie, but a goodie. And I was heating it up. I was gonna start it up, but ran out of time. So, yeah, unplug that, and we'll test the battery. It's all good. So it's kind of it's gonna be a work in progress to get that thing like running really good, but it's good. It's a good unit. It's got a lot of hours on it. It's got a rebuilt engine, and it'll take a little TLC, but I'm excited about that. I'll have to do some videos on that thing. There's a crap ton of stuff that you can do with those, and upkeep and all that other stuff. So anyways, well, I'll be back for more. Well, so much for beating the storm. It's still like, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. It hasn't been a bad storm. But I did leave it open and to see if there's any leakage, and I can't see really any leakage in there. So I'm hoping that it's good and we won't have any issues. So I got some more coolant, some fluid, and we'll pop it in there. For your viewing pleasure, here's a 5-degree cold start. Duramaxes, they don't let you down. Not as much as Ford. trickier than I thought. It's pretty easy. It's just that you have that, the way that it's designed is a little tricky, and you don't want to lose that little piece in there. So it's glad it worked. Glad I didn't get anything, have any major issues, and it'd be nice to have it be able to plug it in at night and keep it warm enough, because holy crap, it's gonna be 0 degrees tonight, and I think cold the next night too. So, but you know, it's typical in here in Colorado is, you know, about, we get maybe 2 weeks, 14 days of, sub-zero temperatures, despite what the Californians think. But they haven't realized it yet. But for the most part, it's not too bad. So a lot of below freezing, and all in between. But yeah, so not terrible, but definitely cold, and want to plug it in, keep it healthy. So, all right, guys. Well, I think that's it for this video. If anything happens, I'll check back in with you. Hey guys, I'm here editing the video, and I think I may have accidentally deleted my last little update. So, basically, I put it all back together and didn't have any issues. My truck did gel up that night. I had to go work, and it did gel up. Probably because it was low on coolant, and then also it was really cold that night. It was like 0 degrees, or it's around there, negative something. So, but other than that, we got past that. It's all good, and it's working great. So I had it plugged in the whole night and no issues. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, whatever, leave them below. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.